Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, as well as online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with worrying news from the banking sector. Several customers of Jamaican National Bank in St. Thomas are complaining about missing funds.
The leadership of Jamaican National Bank confirmed its fraud investigation division is probing complaints about possible fraudulent transactions done through debit cards.
Now, this latest issue raises fresh concern about the security infrastructure of local banks amid growing fraud threats. Krista Campbell has her story.
I'm thinking about buying a chest. Cool it down in my house and put my money in there. Bank not safe again.
If you're at home or you have an account there, you don't feel safe and you can go and check it, I think it's the best time, because if somebody pull out your money that you work hard for and somebody send your money from abroad, you have an account here with JN and you go there and it's not there, then you're going to feel upset.
And that's exactly how several customers who turned up at the Jamaica National Bank in Morant Bay, St. Thomas Monday morning are feeling. They gave varying accounts of how they found out something was wrong with their bank accounts.
I was at a funeral yesterday at Dalby, and when I came home, I got a text on my phone that money was missing from my account.
Another customer says all his money was wiped out of his account. However, he didn't say how much it was.
I got the bank now, and they tell me say they take our information, send it go to town, up to 2 months to investigate. So when my youth forgot school, you know, and I forgot the machine go dry lunch money, how it go? We lose all our money, and we ain't have the money for send the picnic to school. The bank should be able to lend we our money without no interest.
Exactly.
So we can have it for use till them refund back our money.
Senior Corporate Communications Manager at JN Bank, Gareth Manning, says an investigation of that nature usually takes 15 business days. He notes it was only a few customers who turned up at the JN Bank in Morant Bay, St. Thomas with complaints on Monday. But he's urging all customers to be vigilant when using their debit and credit cards and to pay attention to text message alerts and emails about transactions on their accounts. In the meantime, some customers say they were already growing frustrated with banks, and this situation is the final straw for them.
First of all, we have problems in the St. Thomas with the banking machine them already, where half the time we can't even access the money where we want, or do the banking where we want. Now, me feel unsafe right now, because if I go bank my money, I'm not sure say that I did it when I come back, or even if I can't get the necessary help to get it back. Me have to go probably start thinking about other options for my money.
I don't even really feel safe banking anymore, because I have a different account there, and I just want to take everything from there now, because I don't know what's happening.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.